Yes, so I actually just got this package from Jumia. It's actually a whiteboard stand. Yes, whiteboard stand. So I want to just do the unboxing of this. All right, so I'm going to add the price of this product in the description, how much I got it, and I want to really see if it's going to be able to carry the weight of this board. It looks small, and this board is very big. So I really want to just unbox this and see how it's going to, fit into it. So let's get right. This part is the one will hold this, right? This part, the one will play here. Now, this feels smaller compared to this, compared to this one. And I really want this board to probably get to a height like this, right? I'll be able to stand and use it. It looks smaller compared to this, but let's just see how it goes. This is the height of this part, and I think just come properly. Here is what you have to clip it to hold it. You take it out, you put it, and then these other parts.
See, this is the board holder, so that's the part where you get to place the board on. Now look at this hole. This is where you're going to put this holder onto. Count the number of holes first, right? Place it there. You can extend it further. Depends on how wide you want your board stand to be. Now this rub here, to keep it firm so it will not fall. Ensure you do that part or your board will follow. Alright, so next up, I had to try it out to see if it's going to stay, right? Really was trying to check the stability and the stamina. Okay, it stood. Right, next, this thing here, measure it. This is what you're going to put in so that your board will have something to fall back on, right? You get some of you don't have wood to fall back on, but my board has something to fall back on. I wanted to say no shade intended, but shade intended like mad. Alright. So I had to check this out. Okay, it was able to stand. Now you have to adjust this. You see this up part? Adjust it so that it will clip onto it so it won't fall when you're writing.